I'm David Gallo. I live in Prince Edward Island, Canada, and today I'm doing a review on the Viking Vintage Swing Arm Bag. And it's for my 2009 Harley Davidson Rocker C, which is a Softail. It's got really nice, good quality chrome buckles. I've had this bag for about a year, and there's not a speck of corrosion or rust whatsoever. It's also got these slits right here on the strapping, so you could put a small lock on there if you wanted to. To open the bag, you just lift this up, and it's got these quick release buckles to open the bag. Inside the bag, you've got these straps to connect the bike or the bag to your swing arm. And you also have a little zipper in here where you could keep easy access items. Installing the bag is extremely simple. You just wrap these straps around the swing arm. I'll show you this now. For the ease of time, I'm only going to show you the top straps. So these just go around your swing arm like so. You put it back through itself into this hole. Once you have it in place, put these straps into the quick release buckle and tighten it up as much as you can, and snap this closed like so. Once you have that, you can take this strap, roll it up, and then it fits right into the Velcro part like that to stay out of the way. Same with this side. Easy. So you would just do the same for the bottom. So if you had really valuable things, you could take the bag out if you wanted to, or you could just take the items out. This bag also is waterproof. When you're done with it, just closes. Use your quick release buckles. There you go. That is how easy it is.